love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours.
I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I thought I liked you, that bitch I do it. All I won't cry, you scared it. I'm not. Long if you joking, now here for me. I ain't got it. I've been skinning through it. Hide your bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I get lost when I'm with you. Say hey to my camera, y'all. Yeah. Hey y'all. So we on the boat now. We done made it to the boat. And today was cool. We really just walked around. And like, oh my god. And we toured like the little boat, so oh my god. So like we can get used to it and stuff. We really ain't do nothing. We really ain't do much today.
We're gonna do much tomorrow.
So we're really trying to find what we're gonna do tomorrow. That's what we're trying to find out what we're gonna do tomorrow. Big Funky ain't take a shower. She just lay down. They just nasty. They're gonna take a shower in the morning.
Baby,
but anyway,
Funky, baby, I took a shower before I came.
Okay. But anyways, we got 2 funky kids in the room. We got 1 sleeping on the jail bed up here. Say hey. And yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna see what we gonna do tomorrow. Yeah, this shower is so small.
Oh my god. Small, the bathroom small.
I was trying to take a shower, man. Barely could turn around and wash my booty. Like what? How I'm finna rinse all this soap off me? What if I was big boned it? But nah, y'all, we went to go get us something to drink because we was a little thirsty. I had to go get me some Wi-Fi because, baby, it wasn't working. So I'm gonna go get me some Wi-Fi.
Except when I just interrupt you.
Got me some Wi-Fi so now I can be like taking pictures and stuff and uploading on Instagram and stuff. But I'm gonna make this out tomorrow.
Anything is worth me.
Hey y'all, good morning. So we all just got up and got ready. And we finna go eat. Y'all, we late. We missed breakfast and everything, but so what? We finna find something to eat. Yeah. Say something. I don't like my hair, bro.
Mike, can you use it?
I need some.
I couldn't go do it for you.
You better wash my goddamn elbow.
Alright.
Bro.
I thought the hot comb needed Wi-Fi.
This over. It did it first until Amaya blew her breath on it.
No, I had to unplug the white one and put it into the...
Y'all, did this look better? I think so.
Oh, nothing's gonna come on me.
I hate the whole like it, y'all.
Damn, it's not even ringing. Oh. You better answer.
Oh my god!
This shit is ugly.
Do it bun.
I'm trying. But I need the loose tighten. Why your phone making that noise?
I need an actual comb.
Eat her Denny's. Yeah, I'm waiting for that burrito place to open. Ooh, it's 12:08, y'all. I think it's opening. I think it's opening. Now, hopefully I'm not shy to record out there with all these people on this goddamn boat. Because I don't like people staring at me. Like they don't talk to their phone too or record themselves on their phone. Like, it's cool. We can just make this shit work.
Scrunchy.
Oh my god, you gotta tuck it in the the heck is in your mouth?
What the fuck is that?
But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all back when we go find us some food or something, cause this bun is finna irritate me, and yeah, I think one of my dreads got in her mouth, cause I don't know what happened to her, but
This comb is too big to lay edges. I don't know who brung this comb
he's so
thinking that it was
fucking
gonna
gay.
do something.
like, ugh. Don't JT mess with him.
What?
You didn't know that?
JT mess with Lil
JT
Bird.
is gay?
No.
JT is gay.
Oh, she gay. Look it up. Well,
Okay, this looks better. Okay, well, we're finna leave the room, y'all, when these heifers get ready. But,
I just need a better comb, cause what? I don't know what y'all thought this.
We don't give you the option when you press on to like sign in.
y'all got these tacos. Yeah, they delicious. We gotta find something this night because I don't know. It's like they got a lot of stuff to do, but I don't know what to do. So okay, so hi guys, we finna
Nope.
they finna go swimming, and I'm gonna sit by the pool,
Hi,
baby,
y'all.
relax. Y'all feel me? Relaxation.
Let me talk.
No, I'm good.
Hey y'all, I'm finna take over.
No,
We're
you're
finna
not.
go to the pool.
No.
Ow! She keep on scratching me with these bougie
Well, quit
nails on.
touching me.
I'm gonna leave. I feel unwanted.
Goodbye. Yeah, we're finna go to they finna go to the pool, and I'm finna just go down there with them because. Of course, they always want me with them because they know who I am. I'm the real MVP. You feels me? You feels me? Okay, we're finna go. Ethan, you need to work on.
What'd you say? Say it again. Hey y'all, we at the pool, and she gonna give me the camera, but I get like more views with her.
Y'all finna go to dinner and a comedy show, so we coming here to change.
My butt looks
Yeah, my camera finna die, so hopefully I can put it on charge for a little while.
ask them what
And
shirt
it charge a little while, a little bit before dinner, so y'all can see us get out. Oh, okay. See us get our dinner and stuff. Hey y'all, so we went to the comedy show, but it was. Oh, nigga, shut the fuck. Bro, move. Bro, come on.
We're going to the comedy show.
Yeah, we're gonna cut this.
But now we're finna go to booty, y'all. We waiting for them to open our table.
Okay,
You finna open your table?
Yeah, we couldn't access it.
I'm finna try to take pictures and see if they turn out cute, cause I got a little dress on. Hopefully my pictures turn out cute. Johnny, you wanna take my pictures?
What?
Take me some pictures. I don't think they're gonna turn out cute though. Let's set this camera up. Bye.
Looking good.
Thank you. Look at the ones we use Friday and Friday.
Alright, guys. Just took my pictures. And then we waiting on dinner. If I like them, they gonna be on Instagram. Y'all know. Okay, y'all, we made it to dinner. But we ain't got our food yet.
Why did you tell me?
It's pretty dark. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all when we get our food. We just ordered. And my camera's on 1, so it might die. Big fish. Hi guys, so we back in the room. And it's finna go night night. This move, I got some paper. Y'all. Alright, we back in the room. And she took my camera off charge. So like, you know, like when I start, like, you know, I know she is somebody that I'm not taking with me. So yeah, because she don't support my dreams. See, I'm in a room with a damn nasty person.
Bye.
But y'all, in the morning we go to the Bahamas. Everybody say woo. We got super fun. But okay, good night, y'all. Y'all gonna catch us with the Bahamas. I wanna go swim with the pigs, y'all. So hopefully they take me to the pigs, cause I wanna go swim with some dirty pigs.
Of course.
Period. Periods. I'm gonna go swim with the pigs.
Yeah, I finally got Wi-Fi. Like, I am living a dream.
It's still working?
She up on a jail bed. You know them jail cell people don't get Wi-Fi.
I am living a dream.
No, they don't get Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi?
So when they get an inch of Wi-Fi, a little inch or something, they be real happy. Tell them about it.
Yep. Like,
You're gonna be sad as hell with this stuff.
On me. You might as well lower that energy. She over there on the couch.
bro.
Okay, good night, y'all. For real, though. Like, for real. Good night.
You know, bro.
Good morning, guys. Today's the Bahamas. Y'all see the feet, but we're walking to my dad's room right now. And then we're leaving the dock. Period.
No, never, babe.
Can't twerk.
You vlogging?
Yep.
Y'all ready for the Bahamas? Bahama mama? Bahama mama?
No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. What is the count?
It hurt, don't it? See, it ain't just me. These blocks hurt. No. You can take it somewhere else.
E3. You are a bird. Rinse your hands off in the water. Clean them off in the water.
Oh God! What happened? You just got soaking wet. Y'all
Oh my God. And we got a whole bunch of cracks on the bottom.
Oh yeah, so look at the seagulls, y'all. Y'all, them rocks in that ocean, they are deadly, y'all.
Y'all was hot as fuck.
My edge is sweating out. But who cares? We're finna swim. And y'all, we bought jet skis, so I'm gonna get like somebody to record me. I'll be on the jet skis. Because yeah, I ain't taking my camera on there because I ain't risking it.
Beauty in the struggle, it's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city, you know sometimes we had so my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga know my why you be drinking all the time. Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. The bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke is better, life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Think being broke is better, life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. For what's money without happiness?
Keep it the same, yeah.
Hard times without the people you love. Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next. I ask for strength from the Lord up above. Cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good. And touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons cause they always inviting more. Think being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect. To all my niggas out there living in debt. Cash and minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex. And fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Always gonna be a whip that's better than the one you got. Always gonna be some clothes that's fresher than the ones you rock. Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there.
Hey y'all, we finna throw our phones off onto the water. Me and Lamaya. We just started to do the making people. That's what I was saying. And they was making money.
Everybody's making money, you know.
Oh my God. So we can buy. Already?
Wait, let me zoom it out.
You don't want your cake, Naya?
Yeah, I took it off.
Wait, tell me when.
Ready?
Oh.
I love you. I do good and bad things. Stop the phones, y'all.
Let me tell you.
Wrong person.
Wrong person. Johnny.
Yeah, y'all do it again.
Program just now have a good time, girl.
it.
Bye.
Say bye, y'all.
Come on, right back. She's wiping that ass.
So we back on the cruise thing. As y'all can see, y'all see us pulling off. But we sitting right here. We finna watch a movie. We finna watch a movie in a second, like right here. Y'all see them, so. Yeah, we just sit here. Did y'all see us having to throw our phone over the cruise thing, y'all? I'm gonna tell y'all about that, all about that, like, sometime, but I'm not gonna tell y'all right now. Cause my camera is always finna die on this cruise. I'll be charging it, but it ain't working. It's on 2%. But I had fun at the Bahamas. It was cool. It was cool. Yeah. I'm gonna tell y'all more about it tonight. They went to go get food. But yeah, we right here finna watch a movie. We finna go to the buffet because where we eat dinner at, we didn't want none of the food. My phone, not my phone. My camera's on 1% now, y'all. So if it died, I don't know what's going. But we finna go to the buffet because we don't want to eat dinner at where we eat dinner because ain't nothing good on there. But
Well, they wanted me to do it in the Bahamas.
yeah, we gonna just find something to do. But my camera might be dead, so I might not be able to vlog. But I'm just gonna tell y'all we finna watch a movie and eat. That's about it. Where's got off the boat? Shut up. Ooh, baby. This human is messing my camera up. But yeah, we got off the boat, y'all. We was on there for a good minute. But y'all, we're leaving for Lauderdale. Y'all can say bye to Florida. Say bye to Florida. I'm not sure it's crazy. But no, yeah.
You said you're not sure?
Yeah. Yeah, we leaving today.
You can't even miss me for real.
I'm looking ready to go home. I miss my bed. Miss my peoples.
Why you say you're not sure?
And yeah.
Hey y'all.
Ready to dip out. Miss Nashville.
We finna be home tomorrow. I mean Friday
We'll
morning.
be home tonight.
Friday morning.
Nigga,
Stop saying
tonight.
Friday morning. We come back
It's
at
not
2 o'clock
morning.
at night.
Because
in the morning. So that's...
But my camera on 1% as always. I probably could charge it a little bit, but barely. So